Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole Marie. Today, you guys, I'm going to be making tuna melts on English muffins. And I haven't done this recipe with you guys yet, so it's easy, simple, and delicious. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, so what you want to do is you want to drain your tuna. I'm going to go ahead and get, my tuna's been drained. Get it in the bowl here. So you basically, what you're going to do is you're going to make this just like you would any other tuna. Your tuna sandwiches. I'm using 2 cans here. I may not need all this mixture. If I don't, then I'll save it for a snack later on. Next, I'm going to be adding about a 1/4 cup of mayo. And before I get my seasoning in there, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a mix. I'm going to be using some French fried onions in here. I only had a little bit left, so I'm just going to add it, something a little different. So I'm not going to be adding salt because this already has salt. You can do whatever you like. Alright, next I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. You can add whatever seasonings you like, you guys. I'm just gonna, this is what I have around the house, y'all. So this is what I'm gonna be using. A little bit of garlic powder. Even though there's French fried onion in there, we're gonna go ahead and add some onion powder. A little bit of paprika. And like I said, that onion, or the crispy onions, have salt in there, so, and pepper. Go ahead, give her a mix. Alright, on my lined baking sheet, I'm just going to go ahead and open up my English muffins like so. Next, we're going to top them with our tuna mixture. You guys can add cheese in the mixture. I'm going to add cheese at the end. You don't have to add cheese if you don't want to. That's completely up to you. I have my oven already on because I'm making red potato wedges. So, roasted reds, I should say. So, my oven is already heated to 375. And maybe 10 minutes in there is about what I would suggest. And I did use all the mixture, so that's good. Alright, ready for the oven? Ready for the oven. So since I have it on there at 375 for about, 10 minutes. Just to heat it through. You want it just to heat it through, toast the bun underneath. We're going to take it out. We're going to add a little shredded sharp cheddar cheese to it. Put it back in the oven just until the cheese melts. So Just want to show you guys, I did top it with cheese. I forgot to record that part. So I topped it with cheese in the oven until that melts. Also, our rosemary reds, I made them into potato wedges. You guys, I used bacon grease, just a little bit, to season these guys up. But that's what we're gonna have with it. And I found this hot sauce at Walmart, you guys, so I think I'm gonna top my tuna melts with a splash of this guy right here. Let me know if you guys have tried this tahini, the liquid tahini. I've got the seasoning up there, but this is the liquid hot sauce. And there you guys have it. Easy English tuna melt on English muffin, ready in minutes, fast, easy, inexpensive. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, you guys. Doesn't she look delicious? Look at that. Thumbnail. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Here you guys go. This is so delicious. You guys let me know in the comment section if you try the recipe. Thank you for all your love and support. This is just delicious. Look at that. Yum. Have a great day.